What could be the future of Saudi-China relations, you may ask? Well, the latest events suggest a future filled with extensive collaboration and mutual growth. This is no sudden fluke, mind you. The ties between these two nations have been steadily strengthening over the years, with bilateral trade reaching a staggering $87.3 billion in 2021. Before going forward, please subscribe for latest update. The two countries have become indispensable to each other, with Saudi Arabia being China's top oil supplier, and China, Saudi Arabia's largest trading partner, a relationship that's been brewing for years. And the latest chapter in this evolving partnership was written at an investment conference in Beijing. An investment conference hosted by these two economic giants was announced. The stakes? An impressive 25 billion USD. The anticipation leading up to this momentous event was palpable, with investors, corporations, and governments around the globe keeping a close eye on the proceedings. The sectors that were to benefit from this massive influx of capital were as diverse as they were numerous. From energy and agriculture to tourism and mining, the scope of the agreements was far-reaching. The financial services sector was also on the table, along with logistics, infrastructure, technology, and healthcare. And let us not forget the potential players. The Saudi Esports Federation and Chinese Esports, for instance, who were gearing up to seize the opportunity to promote cooperation and participation in the rapidly growing esports industry. As the conference day arrived, the world watched with bated breath. The conference did not disappoint. 60 agreements were inked, spanning a vast array of sectors. Among these, a couple of deals stood out for their sheer scale and potential for impact. A memorandum of understanding between the Saudi Esports Federation and Chinese Esports that's worth $8.5 billion. This agreement aims to promote opportunities, cooperation, and participation in the rapidly growing esports industry, a sector that's capturing the attention of youth worldwide. Another significant agreement was signed between China's Oriental Energy Company and the kingdom's Ajlan and Brothers Holding Group Company. With a value of $7.5 billion, this collaboration will explore areas of manufacturing, further strengthening the industrial ties between the two nations. But the agreements didn't stop there. They extended across various sectors, from energy to agriculture, tourism to mining and financial services. Each contract signed was a commitment to mutual growth and shared prosperity. In logistics, infrastructure, technology, and healthcare, the deals marked a new chapter in Saudi-China relations, paving the way for unprecedented collaboration and shared innovation. These deals, these agreements, they're not just contracts. They are the foundation of a future of strengthened Saudi-China relations. The ink has dried, the handshakes exchanged, but what now? We're looking at a future where Saudi-China relations are poised to reach new heights. These 60 agreements spanning energy, agriculture, tourism, mining, financial services, and more are not just transactions. They represent a strategic alliance, a shared vision for progress. Saudi Arabia and China are intertwining their prospects, betting on each other's successes. From esports to energy collaboration, the potential for further partnerships is vast. Only time will tell how these agreements will shape the future of Saudi-China relations. But one thing is clear, this is just the beginning.